Okay, welcome to this next video on addressing non-conformities. As you prepare for your ISO 19650 audit, it's essential to address any potential missing gaps. Identifying these, resolving them, and making sure that you resolve them during your preparation phase can make all of the difference to ensuring that you have a smoother certification process. In this video, we'll not only guide you on how to handle these missed gaps, but also how to react to any non-conformances that may arise during the audit.
During your audit preparation, you might come across missed gaps in your documentation or processes. Here's how you can handle them effectively. First, while reviewing your preparation, keep an eye out for anything that may have been overlooked. Note these gaps down as you go. Then, collaborate with your team. Bring your team together to brainstorm and resolve these gaps with practical solutions. If not, we are here to help you. Whether it's clarifying your checklist item or finding a solution for a tricky issue or simply addressing your concern, we are ready to support you every step of the way. By proactively addressing these gaps during your preparation phase, you can prevent them from becoming a major obstacles during the external audit. This ensures a smoother path to ISO 19650 certification.
Now let's talk about non-conformities. After your external audit, you might receive a few non-conformances highlighted by the auditors. Don't worry, this is completely normal and we are here to support you through it. Here is what to do. Review these findings, go through the points raised by the auditors and understand the required corrective actions. Collaborate with us. If you need some support, we are here to help. Our 60-day Get ISO 19650 compliant program is designed exactly for this. We act as your coach, guiding you step by step, whether it's holding your hand through the audit process, supporting you in addressing non-conformances, or providing templates and guidance to resolve gaps. We've got you covered. Let us help you navigate your journey to ISO 19650 compliance with confidence. And then take corrective actions. Implement the necessary changes within the specified timeframe provided by the auditors.
By acting on your missed gaps and addressing the external findings promptly, your organization is well on the path to certification. Remember, non-conformities are just opportunities for you to improve. And with our team by your side, you can navigate these challenges confidently and we can ensure success together. Let's keep going. Let's take action on your findings, make those final adjustments, and get ready to celebrate your ISO 19650 certification.